Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Yastine. I thought that I had the cybersecurity sector pretty well figured out, pretty well covered by now. If you'd bought ETF MG Prime Cybersecurity Sector ETF, the symbol is HACK, back when I started recommending it in August of last year, or even better, buying the individual stocks that I've been recommending to individual subscribers, you'd be up by 24% or better by now. But the sell-off of recent weeks in the broader market has also taught me something else about the cybersecurity sector. It turns out that the group makes for a very resilient set of safety stocks as well. Here's what I mean. As of Tuesday, the cybersecurity sector, as measured by the ETF, is up 11% for the year. All of this while the Nasdaq Composite has dropped to break-even levels and the S&P 500 is down about 1%. And the story is much the same when we look at the decline of tech stocks since the first week of October, when the market sell-off started really gathering momentum. Since then, the Nasdaq is down about 9%, while cybersecurity stocks declined just 3.5%. So how do we account for the better performance of cybersecurity stocks compared to the overall tech sector or the broader market itself? Well, I think the answer is as simple as when I first laid out the investment thesis back in 2017. There's an old Wall Street saying that goes that a rising tide floats all boats, and there is certainly a rising tide of spending coming into the cybersecurity sector. The Gartner Tech Research Organization believes that in 2018 we'll see about $114 billion worth of spending on a global basis, and that will rise at least another 9% to $124 billion in 2019, according to their research. Nor have cyber attacks lessened. In the past year we've seen some serious attacks at Facebook, at FIFA, the World Soccer Organization, British Airways, Uber, and T-Mobile, and those are just the ones that make headlines. These things never go away, and the cybersecurity arms race between hackers and those who have been hacked or preventing them from doing so will continue to get hotter and hotter. I've seen estimates all over the map here. The numbers depend on who's doing the research, but cybersecurity spending on a global basis will hit either $173 billion on the minimum side, up to $200 billion annually on the upside part of it by 2022. That is a lot of money. The size of the spending number really is almost beside the point, which is that cyber attacks and the efforts to counter them aren't going to go away anytime soon. And that's why cybersecurity stocks should remain a key part of your investment dollars. If you'd like to learn more, make sure to click the link on the screen. I'm Jeff Yastine.